Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money online with Adsterra without having a website before you can make money. Adsterra it's an affiliate website. It's meant for publisher, advertiser, and you can register as an affiliate. But before you register an Adsterra, there are things you need to know. In this tutorial, this is what you're going to be learning: how to make money with Adsterra without having a website. First thing, you go to www.nigerbao.com, click on the Adsterra banner, register and follow the video guidelines strictly. Why you need to go through these top parties of website is because they have the direct access with Adsterra affiliate. So the first thing you need to do, if you want to make money with Adsterra, you need to either have a Facebook account or WhatsApp account. With your Facebook and WhatsApp account, you can make it big with Adsterra. So I'm going to teach you in this video how to get quick approval after your registration and how to start making money instantly within 24 hours. So what you're going to do first is you open your browser. You can use any browser, either Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you have on your phone. You can make use of any browser. So what you do is, firstly, you follow the rules strictly. And what the first thing is that we go to www.nigerbao.com. The reason why we're going to this website is because they have a direct affiliate access with Adsterra. So registering to them will make Adsterra approve your application quickly in less than 2 hours maximum. Less than 2 hours your application will be approved. And this is the Nigerbao website, and if you scroll down you will see this banner which is Adsterra monetize your traffic easily. But don't forget, since you don't have a website, this video is meant for those that have website and those that doesn't have website. You can still make money with Adsterra. So what you do is you click on the join Adsterra button and it's going to refer you to their sign up page. So what you do on this page is they are going to ask for some of your details. Here you are signing in as a publisher. You can see monetize your website, in-app or social media traffic, either Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, and so on. Any of your social media, you can still make money on Adsterra. So you have to follow these steps strictly. Here you just have to put your email, and my email is let's say it's package ICT let me use you're just going to put your email here, and you're going to choose your login username. Okay, so for confirmation you choose where they are going to reach you, your messenger, and since you are using, maybe you are going to get your traffic from Facebook or WhatsApp or Telegram or anything, you can just make use of any of these social media network that they can reach you on. So to make it easy, I'm going to be making use of WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp is very common nowadays, and what you have to do here is just to enter your WhatsApp number. Preferably you just type in anything there, but do not forget your country code. As a Nigeria country code you will have is +234 followed by your number. Okay, so you input your number and you choose any of this payment method. It's not a must you choose the one you are going to use now. I think now they pay through Ethereum and Tron. Before they were not there. The only option they have is paper, web money, Bitcoin, and bank transfer. So you can collect your money with web money. I advise web money because the payment threshold for web money is only $8, while for bank transfer is 1,000 US dollar. So once you're able to reach $8 minimum of each dollar in your account, you can request for withdrawal, and you have people that are ready to buy the money you have in your web money wallet. So what you do, I'm going to select web money, and I'm going to write my full name here, which is Frank Stella. Frank James. And the password I want to use. Okay, so you're going to click on this "I've and accept." Check this box, and you click on sign up. Just wait for it to load, and you can see they said confirm your email. We just sent you a verification box as Frank Stella 5 So what you do is maybe you have to open your email at this point and click on the link they sent to you. So I'm going to open the link on my phone right now, and I will click the button they are requesting for. So at this stage, you just open your Gmail. Within the less than a minute, you should receive the code they're talking about. In less than a minute, you should receive the code, and just click on the link. They are going to send you a link for you to click. Just click on that link, and you won't have to do anything. Once you click on the link, then you can then go back to you have to click on this login. Okay, so I'm going to use my email to log in. So you click on login, but before you click on this, make sure you've already clicked on confirm email button, which is going to be in the message they will send to your email. So once you confirm your email, then you can be able to log in. Unless you confirm your email, you can see it haven't loaded yet on my phone. It's yet to load. So they said I must confirm the email, but to go so good, it has successfully opened their website on my phone, and now I can just press the back tab and try to log in again. So you can see it has successfully logged in, and this is the home page of my Adsterra website. This is going to be the home page, the dashboard. You have the statistic, you have the direct link, and you have the referral, and you have API. So this is your profile, payment, and also and this is where you're going to add your website. But we're going to split this video into two parts. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money with direct links. That is how to make money with your WhatsApp link. With your WhatsApp, make money with WhatsApp. You can make money with WhatsApp, Facebook, WeChat, Telegram, and even your YouTube channel. You can still make money with it without having a website. And in another video, I'm going to be explaining how to make money for those that are having website, how to place their ad on your website. If you go to website here, it's already on that website. You can see add website, and if you click on add website, this is where you are going to add the website and the ad units, everything. All the ad units is something you can remove later, but for now you can just let them be. Okay. And for those that will be making money with direct links, that's those that are going to be making money with maybe their WhatsApp, their Facebook, and other social network, they are going to be making use of this direct link. You are making use of direct link. But for those that has a website, they are making use of the one in the website type. Those that have website can also make use of the direct link. But there is one thing that there is a logic behind making money with this particular Adsterra for publishers, which is how you create your link and how you place your link, how you share your link. It's very, very important, or else people will click the link and it won't generate much income for you. And as well as for those that has a website, there are ad units you need to create, and there are some ad units you don't need to create. So, and even after creating those ones that you needed for your website, you still need to learn how to place them correctly. When I started, I generate an ad unit and I place it within the header tag of my website, but the income was so low until I changed the location. I thought it was my account that was bad, but until I changed the location of that ad unit, that was when I started having a good turn up. So in my next video, just check out, you are going to see the title, make money with Adsterra without having a website, and make money with Adsterra with website. So whichever one you are going for within the two, just click the link. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, my name is Adsterra, and I'm a web tutor. I teach people on how to make money online. I teach people about software and hardware maintenance, and we also do a lot on this channel. So stay tuned, subscribe, and I'm definitely going to change your next level in making money online through this channel. Thank you for watching this video once again. Don't forget to subscribe and share with friends. Peace.